Good morning, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. You won't see this till early in the morning, I think. I received a package on my doorstep that was incredibly unexpected the other day, and rather than open it, the inside of it, I wanted to share it with you guys. A very, very special person in my life, my doctor, who takes care of me, knows what we've been going through. She knows that I diamond paint and cross stitch and all of that. But she sent this to my house. Now, I have never done or purchased a diamond painting by this company. And as far as I know, they were the originators of the diamond paintings. But I just had never seen anything from them that, excited me or did anything for me. But she found this and sent it to my house. You see that, guys? Anyone who's been with me for very long knows how much I love dogs and I love wolves. And that happens to be a timber wolf. So I guess this is some special edition of Diamond Dots. Never worked on, never looked at one of their paintings because the images just on the boxes never interested me. So, let's take a look at this one. This is going to be a really short video this week because if I get the opportunity, I also want to do a Stitch With You video, but I have not had that chance yet this week. So, I see here we have lots of grays and browns. Very pretty. Has a tray, a clear single placer, and I'm pretty sure it's going to have a little thing of wax in there. So let's see before we look at the painting. And I know this is backwards from how I would normally have done it, but that's what we're going to do. Sorry for all the crinkling to those who don't like it. Okay, we have a teal grippy, a big thing of pink wax, and we have 3 clear multi-placers. Well, 2 multi-placers and a straightener. So you get that thick 3-placer and the thick 5-placer. So, and a little gray tray. Never seen them in gray before, so that's new. Alrighty, let's take a look. Yeah, we have some very nice neutral colors in this one. And some kind of special gem. A couple of them. These big black ones. And like a golden yellow. What color are those? Those are metallic blue that are perfectly round. And a couple of purple. And what color is that? Red. Now this is unusual to me, to see that combination. That's kind of cool. I like that. So we get to have a little fun with this one. That'll be nice to work on. Something different. Let's set that aside. And let's take a look at this canvas. I hope all of you are doing well, and that for those of you who celebrate Valentine's are having a nice Valentine's Day. We don't do it around here. My husband and I feel like we shouldn't need a special day to tell us to say I love you. That's just us. Okay. So we have an instruction sheet, so it appears. Yep. Now that's good. For those who've never diamond painted, it comes with instructions in 3 languages. Very nice. Now I know nothing about the size of this or anything else, so let's look and see. Let me roll this out. It's got a felt-like back on it. It is obviously poured glue. Clear cover. It's a partial. The background's all sparkly. Oh, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. Oh, the wolf has a feather, and that's where the special gems go. Okay, that's very cool. Very, very pretty painting. I'm going to enjoy working on this. That's the kind of colors I really like. It's got the legend on both sides. The fabric size is 13.8 by 16.9, so 35 by 43 centimeter. The design size is 10.6 by 13.8, which is a 27 by 35 centimeter. Very nice. And it's made from a Shutterstock image. Very cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I will enjoy doing this. I love wolves. So I can see this having a beautiful place in our home. So, Janine, thank you. If you see this, this is gorgeous. And I greatly appreciate it. It was perfect timing. To the rest of you, I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. And relax. And don't let the world stress you out too much. Or try not to. And I will see you again soon. You all are in my thoughts and prayers every day. And I hope that you're all safe. And that you're all enjoying your lives. I will talk to you again very soon. Bye-bye.